Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the ChatGPT Image Auto extension. First, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Auto ChatGPT and select the extension. Then click Add to Chrome. Once it's installed, it will take you to the ChatGPT website. If you are new, you will need to log in or sign up. I have already done that, so I will go ahead and open the extension. Now you can type or paste your prompt here. Make sure your prompt is written line by line. After that, choose your preferred aspect ratio. You can also add reference images if you want to guide the results. When everything is ready, click Add to Queue. Now you will see your prompts listed in the queue. Just click Run and it will start generating your images. I hope this video helped you out. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.